Hey there, welcome to VTE TV. Today we're going to talk about satellite maps and how to do that on Google Maps. And it's a setting on Google Maps that you can use to help you identify different areas, especially if you're in an RV or a big rig. It helps you identify the parking lot area, or it helps you identify different areas in the area. So go ahead and click on your Google Maps icon on your phone. Right. Usually when it opens up Google Maps, you usually have this default setting to where you really can't see anything. You can see roads and streets and things like that. But what we're going to do is unlock an area where you can see the satellite, the parking lot, the buildings, what they look like, and all that stuff. It's very helpful. So what we're going to do is, you see up right there where the search bar is, where my little face is right there. Scroll, look down under groceries. You're going to see this little button there that looks like a triangle with another line underneath. It looks like a chevron of some sort. Go ahead and click on that little bubble there. Right now it shows you that your map type is set to default. If you click on satellite, it'll change the map there. Now you're able to see everything, the tree lines, the houses, the buildings, even the streets are still there as well. But if you zoom in, you're actually able to see what the parking lot looks like. Now this is extremely helpful if you've got a big rig, if you're traveling with a camper. You can see how big the actual parking lot is that you're trying to go to. Let's just say you're trying to go to this Lowe's grocery store or the Starbucks. You can see how much parking is available and what it looks like, and how the entrance is, to see if you can actually get your big rig in there or your camper in there. So this is extremely helpful for that. So hopefully this helps. So if you like tutorials like this and you enjoy this type of teaching, quick and easy, check out our archive. We have tons of other how-to videos on there to help you with everyday things. And if there isn't a video on there that you want to have a tutorial on, you can email us at info@visualtestaments.com. We'll be more than happy to help you out and shoot a video for you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.